Guys, this better be good.
Yeah, we've got an after Thanksgiving tradition called sleeping. So, what's up?
It's good. Trust us, Detective.
Well, it occurred to me that if you, Monsieur and Madame West Allen, you want to spend this holiday with your family, well, perhaps your medical does as well. So I had Monsieur Cisco hack into the CCTV footage of the hospital, and this is what we got.
Ever since Grace arrived, only one man has come to visit her. Every day, including tonight.
Team Flash, I give you Orlin Dwyer, also known as
Cicada.
Greg, move your head.